Every single day, faceless YouTube channels are making hundreds of thousands of dollars without filming, without showing their face, and without hiring expensive teams. And the craziest part? Most people still believe YouTube is too hard or too late to start. That changes today, because in this video, I'm giving you the exact 4-step AI-powered formula that lets you launch your own faceless YouTube channel for free in less than 24 hours. And if you stay until the end, I'll even reveal a little known loophole that lets you make money from your very first video. Let's get into it. First, let's clear up a huge misconception. Most people think YouTube automation means hiring freelancers to make videos while you sit back and collect passive income. And yeah, that used to be true, but today, outsourcing is outdated. Hiring a freelancer can cost over $200 per video, and you'll have to wait days just to get results. But with AI, you can create high-quality, faceless videos in minutes for free, and I'll show you exactly how. To make the process and steps worth it, it is important to pick a great niche. I've picked one, and I'll show you how to create a video in it using this exact tool. But it's important that you know that this framework I'm about to share with you can be applied to all niches. Sports, history, motivation, it doesn't matter. So I've recently seen stoicism doing well, so I chose that as my niche. People are creating these motivational videos about stoicism and how others can use it to improve their lives. Take this channel for example. It brings in millions of views with this concept, so it's been proven to be a viral niche. I saw that their most viral video was about 7 things you should do every morning. So as any professional YouTuber would do, I completely copied the same topic. But before we dive into the video making process, let me drop a golden nugget that most YouTubers will never tell you. Most facet channels make the majority of their money from ad revenue. That's the money YouTube pays when people watch those annoying ads before your videos. But here's the problem. You won't make any money right away. YouTube requires you to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time before you can apply for monetization. And honestly, most people quit before they ever get monetized. But what if I told you that there's a loophole that lets you start making money immediately from your very first upload? Affiliate marketing is key. There are lots of brands related to your niche that are open to working with YouTubers with very little subscribers and from the very first video. Research is the best way to find them, and a lot of these brands have this information available on their website, so don't sleep on it. Now let's get into the 4-step AI framework that makes all of this possible. You don't need to film, record your voice, or edit for hours. AI does it all for you. Now that you know that, let's get into how to create the actual video. The first step of this framework is to write a script. This is actually the most important step of the formula, so listen up. Writing a good script is really hard, especially if you've never done it before. But the good thing is that you don't have to be a genius scriptwriter to create a good script. With the evolution of AI, you can create really good scripts using softwares like ChatGPT if you know just how to enter a good prompt. In the last couple of years, I've spent many hours experimenting with different prompts, maybe a bit too many. But the good part is that I combined everything I learned into this prompt template that you can use to create YouTube scripts for any niche. If you want to pick up this template and use it yourself, you'll find it inside my free community. I've linked it in the description. Next, you need someone to read out the script for you. A few months ago, you had to find a voice artist, send your script, wait a couple of days for result, and on top of that, it's all super expensive. But that's not the case anymore since AI voices have gotten so good that they sound like real humans and you can use them for free. The biggest website for this is called ElevenLabs. All you have to do is create an account or log in if you already have an account, paste the script right here, go through the voice library to select the voice of your choice. Make sure to read the mini description attached to each voice and select the voice that best suits your style and niche of video. You can further change the settings here before proceeding to generate. Step 3. AI generated visuals. Instead of searching for stock footage, you can create ultra-realistic AI generated videos with LumaLabs. LumaLabs has text-to-video features as well as image-to-video features that lets you generate cinematic quality visuals in seconds. You can either generate an image and animate it right here, or you can type in a prompt of what you want your image to look like and what actions you want the character to perform. All of this can be easily achieved by creating an account or signing in if you already have an account. Play around on the platform, explore the platform. Trust me when I say it is very easy to get a hang of. And the final step, editing. For editing, I recommend CapCut. It's free, beginner friendly, and has all the tools you need. Upload all the video clips, B-rolls, or images you would like to use. Make sure to arrange them in the order that suits your video script. Transitions and effects play an important role in ensuring you have a video that is engaging and captures the attention of your viewers, so make sure to add transitions and effects. Add a good background music and sound effect where necessary. And for one last trick, add captions. Videos with captions increase retention by 25%, and that's often the difference between 100 views and 1 million views. At this point, you know exactly how to start your own Faceless YouTube channel for free using AI, but knowing isn't enough. Taking action is what separates winners from quitters. So here's what I want you to do. Drop a comment below with niche you are going to start your channel in. I will personally reply to the best ones and give my top tips to help you succeed. And if you want my exact ChatGPT script templates to make this even easier, grab it from my free community. The link is below. Hit like if this video was helpful, subscribe for more AI money making strategies, and I'll see you in the next one.